Hey, hey, everybody, come fool around in the sawtooth with me. What you're watching right now is a little time lapse of me getting the van ready after a rowdy day of cooking and hanging out in the van. It gets kind of messy, so it takes me a minute to get everything ready in the morning. But we headed down the street to a little hot springs that turned out to be closed. You'll see some B roll of me walking across the bridge, and then maybe some B roll of me descending into the clouds as we drove down to Redfish, even though the roads were closed. When I went to sleep, I thought that I did a pretty good job at being decently clean, but when I woke up in the morning, I kind of realized I had a lot more chores than I thought I did. It takes longer than I anticipate getting things ready to go in the morning for the to start driving again. Nothing too crazy, but not what I was expecting. But anyway, I did learn a few kinks on my van. You all know about the awning, I'm sure. But I also realized that my fan has a minor leak in it too, so I've got to put some spray on that. I had to cut this time lapse a little short just because I discovered the leak and I kind of hyper fixated on it, but I'm sure we'll get it fixed. It seemed pretty minor and seemed pretty new too, so I'm testing out a little different of a format for this vlog with some voiceovers, some disposition, if you will. So you might hear my voice come in on some clips or on some photos just to explain how my day was going and what the plan was and just kind of keep you in the loop. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. What you're looking at here is a little map of some geocaches around Redfish Lake. The ones marked in red I was able to find, while the ones marked in yellow were just a little too off the beaten path without snowshoes for me to get to. So I just enjoyed some time at the lake when I got there. But the first cache was nearby this cool little fort made out of rocks. And I'll have a little clip of me finding that one. The second one I couldn't find anywhere, but I did get to spend some time looking around with binoculars and getting some good B-roll, so you can enjoy that. And the third one was in a cool little hut, and you'll see some clips from that too. Yo, found the first one. We did it. Anybody want to come party at my cabin in the woods? It's a little small, I will say, and we do have issues with roof leaks, but it's still a good time. Still a good time. We can still have fun. Just come over. Just come over. I'll show you. We'll have fun.
Get out of my forest. Can't you see I'm trying to make potions? Can't you see I'm trying to cast some spells?
Here's a picture of that fourth cache. Found 3 of the 4 that I got close to. This one was a little bit off the beaten path, but we were able to find it. The rest of the footage will just be me hiking up to Redfish Lake itself. Enjoy. What a beautiful view. What the fuck is that? Is that a blue Swedish fish? Yeah. It's a blue Swedish fish. Out here in the middle of the fucking road. Having me a little snack time. With the beautiful. The wind's really messing up the aesthetics of my hair. But we just out Swedish fish in hand. Look at him. He's in the mountains. Oh no, look out, mountain. Don't get eaten by the Swedish fish. Oh fuck, he ate half of them. I'm in retaliation. Thank you, that's all. Bit of a hop and a skip, but we made it to Redfish. A little bit of a jaunt. And it's, as you can see, it's very frozen. Very, very frozen. Not going to be swimming today, so. But I got this little beach log. Look at that. Got a little beach. Yeah. It's all to myself. Seems like no one likes coming to the lake when it's frozen, I guess. Their loss, I suppose. My gain. See ya. Once I got to the lake, I did some reading, some journaling, played around with my tarot cards a bit, just enjoyed being out in nature, being away from people for a while, before I headed back and found a campground to stay the night at, which is what you'll see the rest of these clips are from. Okay guys, I got a pretty cool camping spot this time around. A lot better than the first one. Got way better views. About to fucking show you. Are you ready? $10. So, I mean, I had to pay for it, but we're here, and it looks fucking amazing. Ta-da! Right off the fucking river. That's riverfront property, baby. See that bench? I'm gonna fucking set up my little stovetop. I'm gonna cook on it. All we have is soup today, but like comparatively how cooking was last night, this is gonna be so chill, so low-key. Kinda stoked. After hiking all day today, this is nice. This is good. And we got a fire pit. I don't even have to build my own fire pit. That's what $10 gets you. You don't have to do anything. It's just all there for you. You ever think to yourself, oh man, would it be nice to have an awning right about now? Does that thought ever, like, occur to you? Cause boy, would it sure be nice if I had a little awning. That one's for you, sweetheart. You want to come join me by the picnic table? Ready? Hard cut in 3, 2, 1. Whoop-a. A lot of goose ASMR tonight. After eating my soup and drinking some tea, I made a little fire, made some s'mores, and just hung out for the rest of the night before crashing. The next couple of clips you'll see are from day 3, where we redoubled our efforts to find a hot springs. The first one didn't quite work out, and you'll see a short clip from that one, but the second one more than made up for the first one, so it all worked out in the end.
Ooh, that's hot. That's hot. Oh, fuck. Ooh, it's nice here.
Alright, we found a hot springs, and look at the view though. Fucking the mountains are right there. Found a hot springs right out of Stanley, right in Stanley. Crazy ass fucking bridge to get to it. So, posted. It's looking promising though. We'll see how it goes.
Dude, this pool is huge. I have it all to my fucking self, dude. Wow. Ooh. Kudos to whoever put those mountains there. Fuck yeah.
After enjoying some of nature's little critters, like this little baby grasshopper and a groundhog, I headed back down to town. Thank you all for watching and joining me in the Sawtooths. I hope I can catch you in the next one. Not sure where I'm going next, but I'm sure it'll be a blast.
Little dirt man digging out his little dirt hole. Look at this schmuck. Yeah, get that dirt out of there. Get that dirt. Yeah. Dig, baby, dig. Where'd he go? I like it when you dig. You dig so good. Come back. Oh, he heard me.